And we're back on the roof. So we got a complaint that the unit's running when it's turned off. So I've inspected all 5 thermostats in the suite and they're all off. All the fans are off. The inducer is running and it feels warm. It's interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this one and see what we got going on here. So here we go. Okay, I don't know if we caught that on camera, but it's like turning on and off, on and off. Let me see if I'm getting a call for heat. Okay, I have no call for heat. What's going on with fan? No call for fan. Yeah, it's doing some weird stuff. Alright, we're gonna kill the power on this thing. So yeah, it's doing some weird stuff. And all the thermostats are turned off. I have no calls for heat. So I'm thinking maybe there's an issue with the board. I'm not sure. We'll see what's up. Okay, so I've restored power and it doesn't seem to be doing anything. So we'll go ahead and call for some stuff and see what it does and then see if it actually turns off. Okay, so we're gonna run this guy in test mode. I've restored power. It's not doing anything weird. All right, it's not going into test mode. Yeah, so I can't get it into test mode. I'm putting on these back sides here. Now we have a solid light, so that's concerning. I'm thinking we may have an issue with this board. So of course these screws aren't magnetic, but I called for fan, it kicked on. Okay, it turned off. I'm still not getting into test mode. Let me try calling for heat and see what that does. And calling for heat. All right, she lit up. Wait till the fan kicks on. It'd be so nice if they didn't use stainless steel freaking screws. All right, so the fan kicked on. Make sure everything turns off. All right, heat went out. Okay, we're gonna try our cooling. There we go. Yep, everything turned on. So I have no call for cooling, but my AC hasn't cut off. We'll give it a little while, see if maybe there's some kind of delay. Let me see if I'm getting a call. Nope. So I think there's something up with that board. Yeah, so now I can't cycle cooling. It won't do anything, and it never shut off. I had to actually kill power to restore power, but now when I try to call for it, it doesn't kick back on. So there's definitely something weird going on with this. I'm thinking that this it's the RTRM board, I believe, is the culprit, because it's pretty much what controls everything. Originally I thought maybe it was this, but I wasn't able to get the heat to work properly, so I'm thinking it's more this, because it seems like it's turning on the fan, heat and cooling all randomly, so it's got to be this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure there's no weird shorts anywhere, but yeah, I still can't get it to go into test mode. So pretty sure this thing's messed up. All right, one of the benefits of working commercial is that's our unit. And this is the unit next to it, and I'm running it in test mode because I'm gonna steal the board off of this one and put it in there and see if it works. Why I ordered this expensive board. Yeah, and I just ran this one in test mode just to make sure that it works, because who knows, you know? So we're gonna take this board out and stick it in there and see if it does anything. All right, we got our other board in there. So we're gonna go ahead and power it up, and we're gonna try to cycle this into test mode and see if that works now. I think the light's on. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it is. All right, let's try test mode. All right, she's in test mode. That's air. And that should be heat. And that should shut that off. It should be solid. All right, so she's back in normal mode. Should cut off. Yeah. All right. So looks like we do have a bad board. All right, so everything seems to be fine with this other board. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that board back, put this one back in, and then we'll recommend a new board and see what happens in the meantime. All right, so I got the old board back in there, and I'm trying to do it from back here like I did with the last board, and it still will not go into test mode. So I'm gonna say this board's bad, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find this thing. It's gonna suck because it's working fine now, but who knows, it might start freaking out again. And these boards are not cheap, they're super expensive. So okay, so anyway, I found the thermostat. I turned it on, I turned on the air conditioner and then shut it off, and it didn't shut off. It just shut off right now. The fan's still going. So yeah, so we're gonna change out that board. I'm just gonna go ahead and reset it. That way it's at least, so I'm going to tell them, it seems like it's whenever you put it in air conditioning mode, and then when they call for other things, it's kind of what causes it to go nuts.